However, myself, Nandan, I am currently working as a finance professional in one of the leading brands in the country in hospitality industry for the last 11.5 years. I was fortunate to have the opportunity to set up internal control mechanism into the industry, into the company, and SAP implementation at my current organization, where my primary focus has always been into inventory management module and various business process automation. I have worked on various areas of finance like stores, purchase, receiving, invoice processing, inventory audit, accounts payable, etc. Both as an individual contributor and as an executive for my team of 5 members. In my initial 5 years, I understood the importance of keeping a calm head and managing extremely stressful situations where my communication skills as well as problem solving skills were put constantly put to the test. Over the last 5 years, I spearheaded many exciting initiatives in business process automation, audit compliance, and SAP rollout. I have I will be happy to connect and discuss the specific requirements of the role or you want to know in Excel so we can explore synergies with respect to my skills and experience. Hope this video will help you to get a deeper insight into my channel. I am the right guy to better your experience in terms of speed your day-to-day routine work, improve your presentation skill in Excel, helping new Excel learners to improve their daily routine work. I decided to put my effort in this channel to solve the pain areas of their daily work. In my channel, as I said, we will learn the Excel shortcut keys, new and advanced functionalities coming on a trend basis, and we will also discuss some of the key highlights pertaining to direct and indirect taxation. Few basics of SAP material management module like frequently used transaction codes and their usage. So my friends, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.